Aloha lover and welcome to Measina Incursions of Samoa. My name is Moana. So today we will be cooking some panikeke. So it's not the mafu or the flat ones, it's the potopoto, the round panikeke. So they're going to be banana panikeke, and the reason that we are doing this is because Measina provide educational programs in schools and in organizations. There's holiday programs, and one of them includes cooking. Now, instead of teaching them the regular, here cook some bread, here cook a tea cake, we actually go in and we teach them how to make Samoan food. And panikeke la potopoto is a Samoan food that brings back a lot of memories in for me. So when I lived in Hawaii, we went to visit my uncle and aunt, and they would make kua pie, they would make panikeke, and we would all sit together and eat, and we would laugh, and we would be together as a family. So then when I moved to Samoa, it was something that I shared with my son as an easy breakfast for when we were running late on our way to school. We'd pick up some panikeke, we would eat it in the car, we would joke, we would have fun together in the car. And so panikeke to me means family time and a time where I can share and laugh with my family. And this is why we wanted to share the banana fa'i panikeke la potopoto recipe with you today. This will actually be my first time making panikeke, so wish me luck and hope that I don't burn my house down. But we got our recipe from Veni Vlogs because Veni is amazing, so we've got links to his channel down below, so make sure to follow him and support other Samoan polytubers, or Samoan or polytubers, yeah, either way. So yeah, let's get to making panikeke la potopoto, or banana pancakes, the round ones, not the flat ones. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna have the recipe on the side, but essentially you just need bananas, an egg, some self-raising flour, raw sugar, milk, and oil. So Veni starts off by mashing up bananas. So chuck them inside the bowl. He said the browner the better, so it has a pretty browny roast. Okay, so mash them up with your fork. So because we're making banana pancakes, panikeke, I'm not going to use as much sugar because you get the sweetness from the bananas. So it's a little bit healthier, even though it's okay. Okay, everything mashed. I don't remember what he says, but I'm just gonna just chuck stuff in there. Take out egg. And now we need 2 to 3 cups of self-raising flour. 2, let's go 3. Enough, so we got our flour in, and then how much? Half a cup of sugar. Half a cup of sugar. Give that a bit of a stir so it all mixes in. So it's a bit dry, as you can see. It's not a dough-like yet. So we're going to add in our milk. Just make sure it's all mixed up a bit. Okay. So now we need half a cup of milk. I'm just going to pour that in. We'll leave the milk here just in case we need some more. Making sure that I get all of the little dry bits from the bottom. And that is our dough. So I'm going to prepare the frying area. Okay, so we've got our oil in the, what is this called? In the wok, so that's ready for us to start heating up and frying the mixture. So you also need a cup of water, so that's going to help you to make sure that your spoon doesn't get all sticky, as sticky. Yeah, so you just keep putting it in there. You also need a fork to help you put the dough mixture into the oil. Okay, let me put on our oil. So Vinny says that to avoid the oil from burning, the best thing to do is to heat it up on a lower heat, not on the highest heat. So yes, this is us heating up the oil. We'll jump back on when. So Vinny said to drop a little bit of the mixture into the oil. And then when it starts to float, you know that the oil is hot enough to use. Okay, so that little bit has popped up, so we're going to start spooning in the dough and hope they form nice pretty round balls. So we've made our panikeke. The first batch that I did, the dough was too runny, and so it just kind of fell apart and it didn't shape into balls properly. So when I added extra added flour to the second batch, then they turned out more round. So I guess if you want rounder pancakes, then make sure you have enough flour and it's not as runny. Okay, so what else do I need to tell you? Thank you again for joining us here on Measina Incursions of Samoa. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you really like us, make sure to press the subscribe button just down below so that you can keep up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you again for joining us. Tō whāsoi. Just kidding, I need to eat one.
What are they?
Panikeke. Pretty good. Nice and crunchy. Very tasty. Let's see if other people in the house like it. Okay. What do you think?
It's nice. It's not greasy like the